how to select or align text with mouse and keyboard. To select text or block a text using keyboard, move the cursor to the left of the text you want to select. Then press the Shift key. Then press the right arrow key to select the text toward the right side. That's one method. Then another method, you can block or select or align text using mouse. Click the left mouse button, then drag towards the right side to select towards the right side. Or use the Shift key when your cursor is at the beginning of the text. Hold down the Shift key, then press the End button to select. Or if your cursor is at the end of the text, press the Shift key, then press the Home key from the keyboard to select text. Again, you can click and drag downward to select text downward. Or you can click, if your cursor, your insertion point is at the end of the text here, then click the left mouse button and hold down the button and select upward. Move upward to select the text. Again, you can use the Shift key together with arrow down to select downward. Or you can use the Shift key together with up arrow to select upward. Using the cut, copy and paste commands. To cut any text or paragraph, select the text, move the mouse pointer to cut, or you use Ctrl X as a shortcut. Click on cut, then move the insertion point to new location. Click on paste, or you use shortcut Ctrl V, then click on paste. You can paste as many times as you can. Once you continue to click on paste, because what you have cut before has been saved in the clipboard, so from the clipboard now it will continue to paste as long as you continue to click on paste. You continue to paste. You can also use the copy button. The text will still remain, the original text will still remain, but it will copy it. Select the text, then click on copy. That is a shortcut is Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Click on copy, move the insertion point to new location. You want the text to be here, then click on paste, or you use Ctrl V. Ctrl V. So you can continue to paste. If you still want to continue, you can paste as many times as you can. Editing text. You can delete any text that you don't want, unwanted text, by using various methods. One, you can use the backspace key from the keyboard. That is this one with arrow, left arrow. So you can use it from the keyboard. Then by placing your insertion point in front of the text and press the delete backspace key, backspace key from the keyboard. If you continue to press it, it will be deleting it. Again, you can delete a word. Once your insertion point is in front of the text you want or word you want to delete, hold down the control key, then press the backspace key to delete a word. Hold down the control key and backspace key to delete a word. If you want to delete computer, control key, backspace key to delete a word. So you can also use delete key from the keyboard. Place the cursor at the back of the text or character you want to delete. Press the delete key to remove the word. Continue to press it to remove the word or text you don't want again. So to delete a complete word, you can hold down the control key, then delete key to delete a word. Place the insertion point at the back of the word, hold down control key and delete key. Press control key together with the delete key to remove a word. If you want to delete a sentence, select the sentence, then press the delete key to remove a word or sentence. If you want to delete a paragraph, a whole paragraph, select the paragraph, then press the delete key. Press the delete key. Found, replace, and go to commands. These three commands are very useful in a document that has many pages. To use this command, go to Home tab. From Home tab, Found button. What do you want to find? To find what? Find change. Then click on Find in main document. Word has selected change for you. To replace it, click on Replace button. I want to replace the text with author. Then you can click on Replace all. Word has completed its search of the document and has made 26 replacements. So click on OK. Then if you have finished, you could see that the change has been replaced with the author. So in all the document now, all changes has been changed to author. If you have finished, click on Close. We can also use Go to button. We have enter page number. We are now in page 3. I want to go to page 15. You type the page you want to go to in the text box 15. Then click on Go to. We are now in page 15. The current page is page 15. If you have finished, click on Close. Spelling and grammar. Microsoft Word uses wavy red underlines to indicate possible spelling errors, and wavy green underline for possible grammatical errors. So to correct any spelling errors, right click on the text. Like what we have here, we have design is not correct, the spelling is not correct. Right click on the text, then the menu will come up. From the menu that come up, you select the correct spelling. We have design. This one also typing. I is missing. You select the correct one from the menu. Right click, then click on the correct spelling. Frequently, U is missing from it, so the correct one is here. You will click on the correct one. The same thing applies to vernacular. computer does not understand any vernacular that is not in the computer dictionary. Like we have Ìsẹ́yìn, Kòso. Those words are not in computer's dictionary. The same thing applies to British spelling, like what we have here, program. American spelling is just one M. So you can see now that the wavy red line has been removed from it because the American spelling is now in the text program, just one M and no E. But this British spelling is being underlined with a wavy red line. The same thing applies to vernaculars. So to change any text that is not correctly spelled, you right click, then select the correct spelling. Using the ribbon to correct spelling errors. If you don't use the right clicking to correct the error, we can use the ribbon. From the quick access toolbar, we can select spelling and grammar. Then from a spelling and grammar icon, click on it to bring out the spelling and grammar dialog box. The incorrect spelling is in red color, while the suggested words is below the suggestions in the dialog box. To change it, click on change. If you want to ignore, click on ignore. To add to dictionary, you can click on add to computer dictionary. So I want to change the spelling, then I click on change. You could see that the text has been highlighted here. To change it, click on change. It has changed it. So it will move to another incorrect spelling, that is a typing. Then I click on change again to change it. Another one is frequently is not correctly spelled. Then it has selected it here. To change it to a correct spelling, click on change. Then you can click on change all to change everything that is not correctly spelled in the document. So if you finish, then you click on a close button. How to check synonyms of a word. You can check the synonym of some words in Microsoft Word. If you want to replace any word with synonym, just right click on the word. From the menu that appears, look for synonyms. There will be suggested words. Synonyms for convenient, we have suitable, fitting, we have well located, we have well situated. So if I want to select well situated, I click on it. It has replaced it convenient with a well situated position. The same thing applies to frequently. If I want to change it, right click, select synonyms, regularly, often, normally, and so on. So if I select regularly, so it will replace it. Continuously, right click on it, look for synonyms. Always, I select always. Bulleted and numbered list. If you have some list that you want to bullet it, select the text, then come to bullets, click on the list arrow, then from there select any bullet you want, whether this or document bullets, this or this. So if you want to continue the list, press the enter key to move to the next line with bullet. Type. If you finish typing that very line, press enter key again. And if you don't want the bullet again, press the enter key twice to stop the bullet. So it has stopped the bullet now. So whatever you are typing will not be bulleted again. The same thing applies to number. Select the list, then come to numbering. Click on the list. From there, select any number you want. If you want number with punch or with just close bracket, ABC, small letter, capital letter, or Roman numerals, or whatever. So I want numbering with a close bracket. So if you want to continue with number 6 now, press enter key. Number 6 will appear, then you continue to type. If you want to go to number 7, just press enter key. Number 7 will appear, and if you don't want it again, press the enter key 2 times. So it will disappear. The number will disappear. It will turn numbering off. Change case command. You can change from one case to another. You can switch between text cases, that is uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, title case, toggle case. If you select the text, press the shift key together with F3 to change the case. The text is now in uppercase. When we say uppercase, we mean capital letter throughout. If you want the selected text to be in capital letter throughout, press shift key together with F3. Everything will be in uppercase. All selected text will be in uppercase. So if you press it again, it will change the case to either sentence case or title case. Let's press it, shift and F3. That's changed it to sentence case. Press it again, it will change it to title case. So if you continue to press it, it will be changing from one case to another.